All right, sixth graders, this is to help you with question 8 on CR 11. It says, Miss Marini wants to construct a backyard greenhouse whose length to width ratio is 7:3. If she already has a plan that is 8 feet long by 6 feet wide, how much must be added to the length to get the desired ratio? Okay. So length to width. We know is 7:3. Oops. So on this side, if it's length to width, the ratio needs to continue to be length to width. Now let me just reread the second part. If she already has a plan that's 8 feet long by 6 feet wide, so already it's 8 feet long by 6 feet wide, how much must be added to the length to get this desired ratio? Okay, so she doesn't want to change the width at all, but she is willing to add some on to the length so that her actual final rectangle can be in a ratio of 7:3. All right, I'm fine with that. So she doesn't want to have to change the width. The width is 6. And she needs to figure out what does that length need to be so that the ratio here is 7:3. Well, let's see. You know about the width, so you go from width to width. 3 times 2 is 6. So then you would say 7 times 2 is 14. That means the overall length of the rectangle would have to be 14 feet in order for the ratio to actually be 7:3. Because 7 times 2 is 14, 3 times 2 is 6. But we're not done with the question yet because they said what must be added to the length. Well, your length right now is 8 feet, and they're looking for what little extra must be added to that to get to a total of 14. 8 feet plus how many feet gets me to 14 feet? Well, 8 plus something gets me to 14. You could always take 14 and subtract off 8 to figure out what you'd have to add on. So that question mark would be, what's 14 minus 8? 6. So you must have to add on 6 feet. Because if you tack on 6 feet here, you'll get to the desired 14 to 6. 14 to 6 is the same as 7:3. They're going to need to add on 6 feet. I hope that helps.